Dear Cheri, does freezing Cannabutter make it more potent? I heard that this is true, but I don't know. It could just be a rumor. What's the facts on this? Thank you. Okay, that is indeed a rumor. Freezing Cannabutter does not make it more potent, but you may want to freeze your Cannabutter anyway. I'll get to why in just a second, but before I do, want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, freezing your Cannabutter or your canna oil or your edibles or anything like that is not going to make them more potent, but it's also not going to have them lose potency. So when I said you might want to freeze your Cannabutter, the reason is you can keep it for much longer and then just take out the portions you need when you need them, if you're going to cook with it or spread it on something or whatever you're going to do with your Cannabutter. So freezing is a really good idea for longer storage, but no, unfortunately, it's not going to make it more potent. I wish that it were so. See you all next time. Eat your weed.